So from your WordPress dashboard, first go to Demo and select Visit Site from here. So now your site will open and this is how it will look like. Now from WordPress, go to Appearance and select Themes from here. Here you can see all your themes and add new theme from here or from this top Add New button. You can search installed themes from this search bar. Now open one theme from here and you can delete it from this button. Also you can see its live preview on your site and activate it from here as well. So this is how the WordPress themes work. So now go to Appearance and select Themes from here. Here click on this top Add New button. So now you will get Upload Theme button and a list of themes to select. Here we have featured themes, popular themes, latest themes, etc. Select the ones you want to install. Here you get many options in each category. Let's install the one you like and after that activate it from here. Now you can see your full preview of the theme. Going back, activate your selected theme. Once done, here you can see your new theme is added and it is active right now. Now go to Demo and select Visit Site. Now you can see that your new theme has been installed on your site successfully. You can change its appearance from all these options. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes in it. From here click on Add New. Then select Feature Filter from top. Here you have filters of subject, features and layout. Let's select one subject, features as theme options and layout to be 2 columns, then click on Apply Filters button. Now you can see all the results after the filters. On top we have filtering by, blog, theme options and 2 columns. You can edit your filters from here. And we have all these theme options related to the filters we applied. Now again go to the feature filter and from here clear all the filters and click on Apply Filters button. Here we can see, we have 200 options. On top, we also have options like featured, popular, latest, favorites and feature filter to apply filters in your results. So this is how you can use filters to find the perfect theme. So from your WordPress dashboard go to Appearance and select Themes. You can add new from here. You also have Activate button for every theme to activate it from here. Open one theme and here also you have one Activate button. Go to Add New button and here you can see all the themes to add. In Featured, we have all these options. The first one is already active, and the rest have Install buttons to install them from here. Open the one you like. Here on top, you have Install button to install it. Once installed, you will get Activate button to activate the theme from here. Close it. Now go to Appearance and select Themes. Here you can see your new theme has been installed with an Activate button. Click on it. Now go to your site and you can see that your site is in new theme. Back on WordPress, activate another theme from here. And your site theme will change. So this is how you can install and activate theme on your WordPress site. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Themes. Then click on this Add New button. Here you have all the themes in Featured, Popular, Latest and at last Feature Filter button. Then go to themeforest.net. Here you will get 51,620 WordPress themes and website templates from $2. Here go to WordPress and you can see all its popular items. Let's select the first one, blog and magazine. Here you can see WordPress themes with star ratings, price and number of sales. Below you have more options of themes to choose from. Let's open the one you like. Here we have theme and below we have its features and a little detail about it along with the templates you will get with this one. Now on top, click on this live preview button to see its live preview of the themes. So this is how the theme will look like. Below we have its demos. Open the one you like. On top, you can see the demo link and below you can see the full theme template. Let's open one post from here, and this is how the post will look like with its link and content. Below, we also have social sharing buttons. Back on theme page, we have Add to Cart and Buy Now button. Here also, we can see its licensing details. Click on arrow and here we have extended license as well. You can buy it from here. Now below we have its full specifications. On top, we have its ratings, comments. You can also view comment by clicking on this comment tab. Here you can see all the comments for its themes. Now when you click on ratings, the full ratings page will open. Back on main page, again go to WordPress and select e-commerce from item list. Here again you can see all the related themes in this category. Similarly, let's select technology from the list and its related results will open. So this is how you can find the best themes. So now go to WordPress.org and select Themes from top. Here you can see all the WordPress themes. Click on this Load More Themes button to get more themes. So here you get tons of themes. Then click on Latest tab and here you will get all the latest themes. We have 8,302 themes in this category. You can download any one you like from here. Now go to Feature Filter, and from here you can apply filters to your results. Now go to WordPress and select Themes from Appearance. Click on this top Add New button and select Popular from top. Here also you get all these results. Next go to escapethemes.org and here select Themes from top menu. Here you can select theme category from this drop-down list, select Free. Here you can see all the themes, totally free in different niches. Let's open the one you like. Here you can buy all their themes for $99 and this one is completely free, you can download it from here. Below you have all its details. Again click on Themes on top, and this is how you can find themes for free. So go to WordPress.org and select Themes. Now let's go to Popular and click on Load More Themes. Here you can see all the themes. You can search more themes from this top search bar. Let's download the one you like from this download button. Once done, go to your WordPress dashboard, then select Appearance and then Themes. Then click on Add New button on top and then on Upload Theme. So here if you have a theme in zip format you may install it by uploading here. Click on Choose File and select the downloaded zip file of theme. Open it and click on Install Now button. So now it is installing the theme from uploaded zip. Now click on this Go to Themes page link. From here you can activate this theme from this Activate button. Then go to this Visit Site button, and here you can see that the new theme has been installed successfully on your site. So this is how you can upload and activate theme. Thank you for watching.